Good morning everyone. I am Chaitanya. I am discussing about a wolf in sheep clothing, fake government of Telangana, JNTH why not prohibited? First of all, abstract. The snapshots of the homepage of JNTU Jack website found out through the internet achieves Wayback Machine's web crawler to on the internet for the period of 2011 to 2014 provide these provide these evidence evidence after March 2014. The culprit website removed the image with the cybercriminal content and changed its appearance, look and feel of its web pages. Thus, the government of Telangana and JN2JAC organizations are wolf in sheep clothing. The actual cyber criminal were not published were not punished because the police personnel could not produce proper and concurrent evidence before the court, resulting in the acquittal of the accused A1 and leaving another accused A2 not caught up and investigated still now. I cautioned the police authorities to reason the acquittal of these two cybercriminals by court through the RTI, Right to Information applications. We cautioned JNTH management also to reason for keeping quiet when these when there was clear evidence against the accused A1 and A2 for these cybercrimes. Since the response for these authorities was not satisfying, we opted for a variety of alternate solutions. Also, pinpoint the concerned public authorities to convict these cybercriminals and prohibit fake government of Telangana and JNTUH JAC cyber criminal organizations and avoid mishandling of such cases in future. Introduction. Case study. Two organizations, namely JNTUH Jack, an offline organization running in JNTUH academics enrollment, and another organization is Fake Government of Telangana, an offline organization with URL that is www.jn2hjack.com, led by J2H Jack, has been prevalent from the year of 2011. Mishandled non-cyber policing. In still another cases, when the complainant who was a contractor's employee of Telangana State Tourism Development Corporation TSTDC approached the police directly to register a case against the accused, who is the managing director of TSTDC, holding a fake BTech degree certificate. The police did not register the case. Therefore, the complaint approached the High Court immediately. The police registered the case before the matter was heard in the High Court as given. Unlike the above two cases, Swamiji extremate cases and MD with fake degree case, there is no prompt and indicate action taken against the cyber criminals who committed cyber crimes against the Indian nation, as mentioned in our case study. Therefore, it resulted in no punishment after court trial and the judgment faced to the accused A1 and A2. The police also failed to issue prohibition orders against Indian abuse and cyber criminal organizations of JNTH Jack and fake government of Telangana. concluded that the police approached different crimes in a non-uniform manner, which is a hazard to the nation. Mishandled non-cyber policy. The High Court of Telangana suspended the police order entering Swami Paripurnananda from Hyderabad for 6 months. Subsequently, on 14th August 2018, Swami got a saffron welcome at Kodada has given. In but cases were filed in many police stations against Swami and some parties leaders for not taking prior permission for conducting a huge rally in the city and giving speeches. Police acted too quickly with no other thought in approximately and in a